To create a rubric, we're going to go to the Progress tab, select Rubrics from the drop-down menu, and click on New Rubric. Now when you first create or click on the new rubric, this is what it will look like, and you can modify what you have here. It can be an analytic or holistic. If you're going to use points or custom points or even no score, and you can reverse the level order. So if you wanted to go from low to high or high to low, you would just click that and it would change it automatically for you. And if you want to add levels, you want to add it on the upper end, you would click here, and over here on the lower end. Now if you want to add criterion, you would select this down here, or delete them. You would just click on the trash bin. Okay. Now down below, you will have an overall score that you can give the students for what they've done on the assignment. We'll look at options, rubric visibility. I'm going to leave this checked because I want the students to be able to see what I expect of them. Now competencies, this is going to allow you to associate your rubric with the different activities that you want to grade with it. Okay. It should be noted though that once you associate this rubric with something, you cannot go back and edit it. Brightspace doesn't want you to do that because you will lose data if you used it, like student grades, and you don't want to alter how you graded those particular assignments. So if you did want to go back after you associated this rubric and edit it for, say, a new activity, you would just make a copy of that particular rubric. Okay, and I will go ahead and show you how to do that. So you would go here in this drop-down menu and click copy. And it will automatically generate an exact copy that is in draft, and you can go back and edit that. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how we're going to go back and associate a rubric that is already completed, but first I will show you what a completed rubric looks like. Alright, I got 5 levels here, and I got all my criterion, and it's ready to be used. Okay, just a general overview. Alright, I'm going to go to activities. This is a writing rubric I'm going to use, and I want to associate it with my week 1 assignment. So I'm going to go into the drop down folder, scroll down, and add a rubric. And I'm going to add this writing rubric, add selected, and save and close. And once I do that, if I go back to the rubric tool, I can see I got this little icon here, indicates that I have an association and it cannot be deleted. It can only be archived. Alright, if you have any further questions about rubrics, and I will go into further detail in another video on how to grade with the rubrics. But if you do have any questions, please contact Caleb or I. We're in the basement of Kelwin Hall, room 110. Thank you.